When it comes to email marketing automation, two of the most popular platforms are MailerLite and ConvertKit. But which is the better choice for your business? Stick around, because I'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one truly stands out, and I'll even reveal a better alternative at the end that you might want to check out. Let's start by talking about MailerLite. One of the main selling points is its affordable pricing structure. MailerLite offers a free plan for users with under 1,000 subscribers, which is perfect for small businesses or those just starting out. It also has a user-friendly interface that's simple to navigate, making it easy for beginners to get the hang of email marketing automation. Next thing, let's look at ConvertKit. While ConvertKit isn't as budget-friendly, especially when compared to MailerLite, it's known for its robust features and scalability. ConvertKit is ideal for creators, bloggers, and those who want to scale their email marketing efforts in the long term. It provides advanced automation features like visual workflows and customizable opt-in forms that really help streamline the process. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. MailerLite's drag-and-drop builder is simple, but it's not as flexible as ConvertKit's. ConvertKit's builder allows for more customization, which is great if you have specific design needs for your campaigns. However, MailerLite's simplicity means you can get campaigns up and running quickly without any steep learning curves. Now, let's talk about deliverability. This is a critical factor in choosing an email marketing platform, and while both MailerLite and ConvertKit perform well in this area, ConvertKit has a slight edge. ConvertKit boasts higher deliverability rates, ensuring your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes instead of the spam folder. That's an essential consideration if you're serious about building an email list and seeing results. The next thing is customer support. ConvertKit offers solid customer support with a dedicated team that's available through chat and email. However, MailerLite's customer support is a little more limited. It's not terrible, but response times can be slower, and if you're on the free plan, you don't get priority support, which could be frustrating if you run into issues. Another important factor is integrations. Both platforms offer a wide range of integrations, but ConvertKit tends to have more options, particularly for high-end tools. If you're running an e-commerce business or using a complex CRM, ConvertKit likely has the integration you need. MailerLite, on the other hand, has a solid range of integrations, but you might hit some limitations if you're looking for something very specific. The last thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Both MailerLite and ConvertKit offer basic analytics features like open rates and click-through rates, but ConvertKit takes it a step further with advanced reporting. If you're looking for in-depth insights on how your campaigns are performing, ConvertKit is likely the better choice. At this point, you might be wondering which one is better for email marketing automation overall. While both MailerLite and ConvertKit offer great features for their price points, if you're looking for an all-around solid email marketing automation solution that's a bit more advanced, I'd recommend trying something else. Through my own experience using MailerLite, ConvertKit, and several others, I found a better alternative that ticks all the boxes for email marketing automation, offering an easier user interface, better deliverability, and more in-depth automation features. If you want to take advantage of the best free trial and exclusive benefits, I've got a link in the description just for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this.